Assalamu alaikum. This Ramadan, spend quality time with your family with the help of Ramadan Tutor. It is one of Understand Al Quran Academy's bestsellers and an ideal gift for you to teach children about the holy month of Ramadan, Islam, Quran, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and some powerful du'as from Quran and Sunnah. Inshallah, your kids will love the interactive style of teaching in the book in the form of fun-filled activities, challenges, puzzles, inspiring stories, quizzes, and worksheets. Learn an easy formula on how to ponder over the Quran and an easy way to memorize the 99 names of Allah and much more. Order now and get 35 motivational stickers absolutely free. To order the book for your kids and near and dears one, please call +91 965 243 0971 or visit understandquran.com to teach this book as a personalized one-on-one online course by an experienced and certified UQA teacher. Please call +91 8897 165151 or 8897 000 344 or email us at 121global@understandquran.com, 121india@understandquran.com.